Hi creators! We've heard feedback that it can be hard to understand some of the policies we have for monetizing in our YouTube partner program, and our reused content policy in particular has raised some questions. Hopefully this FAQ helps make this a little clearer and makes it easier for you to avoid any run-ins with our policies on reused content. Question: what does reused content mean? A. Reused content is content that is not clearly your own original creation. It may already be on YouTube or another online source, and have no added significant original commentary, substantive modifications, or educational or entertainment value. Some examples of content that could be flagged as violating this policy are compilations or clips edited together with little or no narrative. Examples include movies, sports, or gameplay. Short videos compiled from other social media. Collections of songs from different artists, even if you have their permission. Content uploaded many times by other creators without significant commentary or editing. Promotion of other people's content, even if you have permission. Content downloaded or copied from another online source without any substantive changes. Content that gets views from mostly non-verbal reactions to your videos without added voice commentary. Please note that this list is not exhaustive. To figure out whether your content is reused, our reviewers will check your channel to understand how you created, participated in, or produced your content. Additionally, there are things you can do to avoid having your content classified as reused. For example, if you put a funny or thoughtful spin on content you didn't originally create, you've transformed the content in some way. In other words, we allow reused content if viewers can tell that there's a meaningful difference between the original video and your video. Question: what happens to a channel if it posts reused content? A. If you have videos that violate our monetization policies, or if we can't clearly tell that you made the content, your channel may be rejected/suspended from the YouTube Partner Program and lose access to monetization. If this does happen and you think we've made a mistake, you can appeal in studio within 21 days of your suspension. Instructions can be found on the Earn page, and appeals will receive a decision within 14 days. Learn more about the appeals process here. Question: will using AI to generate images, to create a voiceover or audio, to create a script for the video, or to make the entire video, get me suspended for reused content? A. Not necessarily. Channels using AI can still be eligible for monetization, provided they follow YouTube's monetization policies. Regardless if AI is used as part of your creation process, your channel is still subject to potential rejection/suspension from YPP if the content is not clearly original or if we cannot tell that you made the content. Also expect creators to let their audience know when their content is altered or synthetic.